All right, I may be showing my age a little bit, but any of you guys remember that TV cartoon Saturday mornings? It was that frog that would sing and dance, and the guy would think, man, I'm going to make millions. And then he'd take him to some show, and the guy was like, Quark. Never performed on cue. He'd walk away, and it would perform and dance and sing. And then he'd take him to show somebody. Nothing. I swear he says hello. As soon as I walk away, hello. Turn on the video camera. Nothing. Hello. Hello. No.